Reeve Systems, a leading player in the IP telephony industry, started its journey in 2003. Reeve Systems offers software and technology solutions for the VoIP industry. Presently, Reeve Systems software solutions are used by 1,250 carriers across 65 countries. With corporate office in Singapore, development center in Bangladesh and India, and presence in UK and Argentina, Reeve has a global footprint. We are part of iPhone developer community, member of Symbian Foundation and Nokia Developer Forum. These provide us the first-hand access to industry developments and help us bring superior technology products to the market. Known for bringing innovations to the internet telephony industry, Reeve has taken IP telephony a step forward with mobile VoIP. Reeve offers a complete suite of mobile VoIP platforms, allowing service providers to offer a complete range of services on the mobile phone. itel Mobile Dialer Express, the leading mobile VoIP application that offers voice, SMS, m-commerce and value-added services over IP network. End users need to download the application on their mobile handsets, connect to internet using Wi-Fi, GPRS, 3G or 4G in order to start cheaper long-distance calls and SMS from their mobile phones. itel Mobile Dialer Express can be fully customized to the service provider's brand. itel Mobile Dialer Express is available for iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, Symbian, Bada and Windows mobile platforms. Reeve Systems products allow service providers to provide better user experience to callback and calling card users. Presenting itel Switch Plus, a carrier-grade soft switch with integrated billing. itel Switch Plus is the industry's most secured soft switch platform, suitable for both retail and wholesale operations. itel Switch Plus is deployable in both standalone server and in distributed architecture. itel Switch Plus comes with a package of multiple advantages: multi-layered security, unlimited reseller creation, never go negative feature which prevents account balance from going negative. Mobile top-up feature on itel Switch Plus allows users to recharge any mobile number anywhere in the world using the same PIN which they use for voice calls. itel Byte Saver is a software application that saves more than 50% bandwidth at the origination end, thereby improving customer experience in low bandwidth networks. It also helps end users to bypass any internet firewall or blocked network. Quality is a way of life at Reeve. With an experienced team of engineers, deep expertise in VoIP domain, practices like periodic quality audits and software development lifecycle monitoring systems, Reeve Systems software products have highest quality standards. With a track record of bringing innovation to the VoIP industry, Reeve Systems is a pioneer in introducing multiple services over IP networks. For technical excellence and bringing innovation to the industry, Reeve Systems has been honored with multiple industry awards. Reeve Systems undertakes blood donation camps and scholarship programs for youth as part of its corporate social responsibility. We take pride in building strategic and long-term relations with our clients. Reeve Systems, making IP telephony simple.